Okay, we've got some rollers going on the beach.
So I kind of guess I go with the roller. I got no idea.
I would say in between them, but it's not normal. Yeah, go for it.
I am. I want to get behind that one.
Yeah, there's another one coming. Yeah, going up. Oh, oh.
Well, that didn't work. Good thing I'm good at rebuilding this motor.
Another one. Try to get it to the beach.
Yeah.
Another one.
Another one.
I'm still filming. There's rocks under here.
Okay. Back to rowing again. Okay, hang on.
There are rocks.
Okay, we're gonna have to flip this thing over here. Take this stuff to the beach. I got the boat.
Where's the...
Hang on, wait.
That didn't work that well. I'm still filming. Hi. Oh my god. Phew.
You okay?
Yeah, we're okay. Just lost some stuff, I think.
Yeah. Anything important?
I'm still filming.
Oh, hi.
Our savers.
Nothing important.
Our chairs and our...
We lose them?
I think so.
Ah, fuck.
Cheers.
That's very good. Cheers.
Cling.
Santé. Yeah, welcome to bonjour. Salut.
Salut. We saved the dinghy, we saved the drinks. And the bag with the phones and stuff.
Yeah, good thing it's a dry bag.
Uh-huh.
See how dry it really is?
Hey, natdrapje. Tell me what happened.
I didn't time it very well. And we could have just waited because there were big waves coming up to the beach, but they were probably a wake from a big ferry going by.
No, it went on for a pretty long time already.
But we tried to time it to come in, and I didn't time it well and flipped the dinghy. So I get to rebuild the motor again.
We saved the dinghy. We lost the chairs.
Lost the chairs, lost the table.
We are soaking wet cats.
Yes, we are. We're filming a sunset with the time lapse. So see how that comes out. Because then we get to row back in the cold.
Getting cold because we are soaking wet. Hoe gingen we?
Hoe gingen we?
Hoe gingen we? You were trying to turn around.
No, I wasn't trying to turn around. The boat was turning. And I said, okay, the boat's going to wind up turning around on its own. And then it got sideways and flipped over.
Yeah.
I didn't expect that.
Yeah. Shit happens.
Shit happens.
Yeah, plan
so-
was to see the sunset, but my puppy's getting cold.
Ja, flip the dinghy, so it can happen. Maar nu begint het trillen.
Ah.
Ik heb verwacht voor vanavond.
Ja,
Dat was het niet.
wat? De tafels.
Ja, oh ja, de tafel. Dat was het.
De tafel en de stoelen terug.
Dat heb ik niet verwacht.
Nee. Well, just too late for the sunset. We're back on board. Found the table back and the chairs. Now everything is tricky.
Water is lekker warm.
Yeah, it's nice and warm.
De water is echt warm.
Jump in.
Huh?
Jump in to make warm. It wasn't cold.
No, it wasn't.
I just I want to film the sunset. That's what we were
Here we
going
go.
for. Yeah. Bye bye, son. Be good to us tomorrow. Maybe the motor starts tomorrow.
Green flash.
There he goes. Doei. Bye bye. Just a little bit. Green flash. Clean green flash.
Come on, big fucking green flash.
No. Poof. Here we go again.
What? Oh, yeah. Here we go again.
First, get all the fuel out of the tanks. And out of the little tank. It's still looking good. I've got the most already saved in that can over there. So my goal is trying to clean the rest of the motor and see if it's gonna run again. We'll see. Get the water and fuel out of the carburetor. Unscrew everything
Yeah,
and clean it all up.
we're trying.
And we've got an extra workbench or table we found back. Get all the sand out of everything, like the chairs and the clothes and the bags and the shoes. cleaning with double D WD-40.
Double D.
Double D.
Big boobies. Cleaning with big boobies.
Make a how-to video. How
No
to
way.
how to flip your dinghy and how to fix it.
No. We don't do how-to videos.
But we hear something outside. Woohoo! It's running again. What are you?
I'll be dipped in shit and rolled in coconut.
Woohoo! Mom!
Man!
Impressive move! All day quiet. Now you see them rollers again on the shore. It's that time of day. Next day. We made it dry up here.